The great debate: saving versus investing. It's a topic that has puzzled many for years. Saving and investing are essential for financial success. They are fundamental pillars in managing your finances effectively. They are like two sides of the same coin, each serving a unique purpose in your financial journey. You need both to build real wealth and secure your financial future. Balancing them is key. Many people debate which is better, but the truth is, you need both. Each has its own advantages and disadvantages. Saving is about protecting your money and having a safety net. It's crucial for emergencies and short-term goals. Investing is about growing your money and building wealth over time. It helps you achieve long-term financial goals. Some people are afraid of the stock market, so they keep all their money in a savings account. This is often due to a lack of understanding or fear of loss. This might seem safe, but it's actually risky because your money won't grow as fast as inflation. Over time, this can erode your purchasing power. This means you'll be able to buy less with your money in the future. Inflation can significantly impact your savings. Investing, on the other hand, can be intimidating for beginners. The vast array of options can be overwhelming. They might not know where to start, or they fear losing their hard-earned money. However, with the right knowledge and guidance, investing can be a powerful tool for financial growth. The foundation of wealth: the power of saving. Saving money is not just about putting aside a few dollars. It's about creating a strong financial foundation. Saving money is the cornerstone of financial stability. It allows you to manage your finances effectively and plan for the future with confidence. It provides a safety net for emergencies and unexpected expenses. Having an emergency fund can make all the difference when life throws you a curveball. Without savings, unexpected events like a medical bill or car repair can derail your finances. These unforeseen expenses can cause significant stress and financial strain. Saving also gives you peace of mind. Knowing you have a financial cushion allows you to live your life with less worry and more freedom. Knowing you have money set aside for a rainy day reduces financial stress. It helps you feel secure and prepared for whatever comes your way. Saving is essential for achieving both short-term and long-term financial goals. Whether you're planning for a big purchase or your future, saving is key. Whether it's a down payment on a house, a dream vacation, or a comfortable retirement, saving helps you get there. It turns your dreams into achievable goals. Saving helps you get there. It provides the financial freedom to pursue your aspirations without being held back by monetary limitations. It's about having the financial freedom to pursue your goals without being held back by debt or financial constraints. Saving empowers you to live the life you want. Saving is the first step towards taking control of your finances and building a brighter future. Start today and watch your financial security grow. Mastering your money-effective saving strategies. Let's dive into some practical tips to help you save more effectively. Saving money doesn't have to be difficult. With the right approach, it can even be enjoyable and rewarding. Start by creating a budget to track your income and expenses. This will give you a clear picture of where your money is going. Identify areas where you can cut back on unnecessary spending. Small changes like reducing dining out or canceling unused subscriptions can add up. Even small reductions can make a big difference over time. Every penny saved contributes to your financial goals. Consider setting up automatic transfers to your savings account. This ensures you save consistently without having to think about it. Treat it like a non-negotiable expense. Prioritize your savings just as you would your rent or utility bills. Explore different savings options that offer higher interest rates. Look into high-yield savings accounts or certificates of deposit. Online banks and money market accounts often have better rates compared to traditional savings accounts. Do your research to find the best options. Make saving a habit. Consistency is key. Set reminders if needed to ensure you stay on track. By implementing these strategies, you can effectively grow your savings and build a strong financial foundation. Remember, every step you take brings you closer to financial security. Section 4. Beyond the piggy bank. Why investing matters. Investing is crucial for building long-term wealth. It allows your money to work for you and outpace inflation. While saving helps you preserve capital, investing helps it grow significantly over time. Investing can open doors to various financial goals, such as buying a home, funding your children's education, or retiring comfortably. Investing provides a hedge against inflation, ensuring your purchasing power is not eroded over time. It's about putting your money to work, so it generates more money. By investing wisely, you can create a secure and prosperous financial future for yourself and your loved ones. Section 5. From Beginner to Investor. Smart investment choices. For beginners, starting with low-risk investments like index funds or mutual funds is recommended. These funds pool money from multiple investors to invest in a diversified portfolio of stocks or bonds. As you gain more experience and confidence, you can explore other investment avenues such as individual stocks, bonds, or real estate. It's essential to research thoroughly before making any investment decisions. Understand your risk tolerance and investment horizon. Consider seeking advice from a financial advisor who can provide personalized guidance based on your financial goals and circumstances. Remember, investing is a marathon, not a sprint.